here today at SLE Equipment, located in Nashville, Tennessee. And today we're going to be going over the Husqvarna MZ61 zero-turn with the Kawasaki engine. This machine is going to come equipped with the ZT3100 transmissions. It is also going to come equipped with a 24 horsepower Kawasaki engine. It's going to have a 61-inch deck on it. It's going to be a 3-blade system. It's going to cut as low as 1.5 inch and all the way up to 4.5 inches. It is going to come with aluminum greasable spindles. Come towards the rear of the machine, you'll see that this machine does include the rollover protection system. It's going to have the Kawasaki FR730V 24 horsepower engine. Your gas tank is going to be located here. You're going to get the premium high back seat. It's going to have a removable foot panel that allows you to access your deck easily. Has a foot assisted deck height. Located here, it's going to be your throttle, electric PTO switch, hour meter, choke, and key. This machine is also going to have greasable forks and wheels. This machine is going to come with a 4-year or 400-hour warranty, and the engine is going to come with a 3-year unlimited hour warranty. If you have any more questions about this mower, please give us a call at 615-641-7720, or else visit our website at sleequipment.com.